Ever wondered how luxury mink coats are made from scratch? Let's go inside. The pelts are
Alright, this is where it all starts. Not a backyard setup, this is a fully licensed mink farm.
These enclosures are fully controlled. Airflow, spacing, and cleanliness are dialed in tight. This sets
Each mink has its own regulated space. Clean cages, proper access to food and water.
This part's all about monitoring. Health checks, data logging, no shortcuts. If the animals aren't in top condition,
Feeding here is fully automated. Every portion is measured and timed. No waste, no guesswork.
This is where the fuel gets made. Balanced feed, carefully mixed. No cutting corners. Hydration here is fully automated and tightly controlled. Clean water keeps growth steady and stress levels low.
routine vet checks keep everything on track. If something is off, it gets caught early. No exceptions.
Temperature and airflow are locked in 24/7. Stable conditions mean better fur quality, period.
Fur condition is checked constantly. Density, shine, and texture all matter at this stage.
This step confirms full maturity. Only properly developed pelts move forward. Every mink is logged and tagged. Full traceability, zero guesswork.
This is where the whole move gets planned. Timing, routes, and capacity, everything's mapped out tight.
Transport isn't rushed. It's scheduled down to the minute. Everything runs on strict compliance windows. Before anything moves, prep comes first. Cages are checked, cleaned, and cleared for transport.
These aren't regular trucks. They're climate-controlled rigs built specifically for live transport. Loading is slow, controlled, and deliberate. Nothing moves unless it's fully secured.
Final checks lock everything in. Once cleared, this shipment's officially good to roll. The inside of these trucks is fully controlled. Airflow and temperature stay locked on the entire ride.
Once cleared, the trucks roll out. This is the official handoff from farm to processing.
This part's all about stability. Smooth roads, steady speed, zero stress.
This plant is built for precision processing. Security and control are part of the operation. Every shipment gets logged immediately. From this point on, it's tracked step by step.
This is the holding zone before processing starts. Conditions stay calm, controlled, and monitored non-stop.
This is the holding zone before processing starts. Conditions stay calm, controlled, and monitored non-stop.
Before anything happens, the team suits up. Safety and hygiene are non-negotiable here. Sanitation runs constantly in the background. Clean systems keep the process compliant and efficient. Every tool gets sterilized before use. No clean tools, no processing towel. Simple as that.
This briefing sets the pace for the shift. Everyone knows their role before the line starts. This is the point of no return. From here on, the processing officially begins.
Raw materials start their transformation. Everything's precise, controlled, and industrial grade.
Technicians double-check every pelt. No flaw goes unnoticed in this operation. Pelts are sorted right at the start. Proper organization keeps production smooth.
Every pelt gets its place on the tray. Attention to detail is what separates luxury from average.
Clean, safe, and precise handling is the rule. Every step is monitored for quality control.
Fur gets its first professional treatment here. Machines handle delicate textures with precision.
Every pelt is visually checked. This ensures consistent quality for luxury products.
Pelts go through precise drying and conditioning. Temperature and timing are dialed to perfection. Stretching ensures uniform size and perfect shape. Every pelt is aligned before next processing.
Each pelt is fully traceable. No step is skipped in the tracking system.
Now the pelts are ready for luxury finishing. Precision coating gives them the premium look buyers expect. Each pelt gets its premium coating. This step locks in luxury quality and shine.
Workers ensure coating is even and flawless. Every pelt must meet strict quality standards.
Pelts go through precise drying and curing. This ensures the luxury finish sets perfectly.
Final inspection makes sure each pelt is perfect. Only flawless pelts proceed to production.
Packaging prep keeps pelts protected. Every fold and placement counts for premium presentation.
Pelts are fully packed and labeled. Now they're ready for the next leg to luxury fashion houses.
Crates are carefully loaded for transport. Nothing moves unless it's secured and protected.
Inside, crates are locked and climate controlled. This keeps the fur pristine during transit.
Trucks roll out carefully, heading to distribution hubs. Everything is tracked and monitored in real time.
The convoy moves in perfect sync. Smooth roads and steady speeds ensure top-quality delivery.
This is the distribution hub where shipments are sorted. Every crate is logged before final delivery.
Crates are unloaded and staged for next transport. Everything remains precise, clean, and tracked.
Each crate is sorted by destination. Every shipment has a precise route to the store.
Crates move into delivery trucks carefully. Everything is strapped and climate ready for transit.
Trucks depart carefully, loaded, and ready. Each crate's journey to luxury stores is tracked. Highway transit keep the pelts safe. Climate control ensures premium quality is maintained.
Here comes the delivery truck, rolling in with premium goods. Neiman Marcus receives its luxury shipment on time.
Crates of luxury pelts are carefully unloaded. Every item is handled with precision and care.
Shipments are carefully transported into the stockroom. Inventory is logged and ready for display on the sales floor.
Crates are unloaded and placed on racks. Now they're ready to be transformed into luxury fashion.
Stockrooms keep every pelt organized. Accuracy here ensures a smooth in-store workflow.
Pelts are prepped for display carefully. Presentation is key to the luxury experience.
Every item gets a proper price and barcode. This ensures traceability and retail readiness. Inventory is double-checked for accuracy. Nothing leaves the stockroom without verification.
Welcome to Neiman Marcus, where luxury meets style. Today, we take you inside to see premium mink coats and dresses.
Inside, the elegance hits you instantly. Every detail screams luxury and quality. Staff prepare items to impress shoppers. Every pelt is showcased in its best light.
Shoppers arrive eager to explore. Luxury pelts are ready for the first touch.
Staff guide shoppers with expertise. Every question is answered with precision and care.
Each purchase is wrapped with premium care. Presentation reflects the luxury brand promise.
Each coat reflects premium craftsmanship. Neiman Marcus ensures every item is perfectly presented.
The ultimate luxury experience ends here. Your premium mink coat is now ready to take home.
luxury mink coats hang ready for discerning shoppers. Every detail is crafted to perfection.
She tries on the coat, feeling its luxurious softness. Every detail pops under the store lights.
She walks through the store, exuding confidence and style. Luxury is not just worn, it's experienced.